Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Sorry I've not been very active. I'll be honest with you, I did go Blackpool and I caught sun quite bad. As you can see on the nose and on my ears, still peeling a bit. But I'm back. And also, I do have a confession, I am addicted to Ghost of Tsushima, so I have been playing that a lot, so I do apologise, but hey ho, we're back. So today I am going out for a meal to Miller and Carter's, so we are going to do a beauty look today, something a little bit different. Also, ignore the hair, I'm trying to get curls to stay in, and with my fine hair, it just doesn't work. So let's get to it. So, eyebrows. I use 17 brows that, and I also use my DFMA palette, upside down as usual, Paris, well done. My DFMA palette that I got from my makeup academy that I did training. So, time for the eyebrows. So now the brows are done, I am going to cheat a little and do the sellotape hack because I don't have much time. So let's get the sellotape stuck down. Always make sure they're symmetrical as well, guys, which I kind of think they are. If they're not, hell, it's fine. So we're going to today do a blue and pink cut crease. James Charles palette. So using the shade Escape, which is this purple one right here, we're going to do the outside corner of the cut crease. But first, once again, as I have forgotten, we need to base. So P. Louise base, need to put on. Usually more prepared. So now taking the shade Single, which is the purple next to the purple we've just used, blend it. Now taking the shade Love That, I'm going to go in just here. Always go back over as well. Blend. Don't have your harsh lines. So after we have done that, we're going to take the Single shade again and we're just going to blend over there. And there we go. Now we've got that done, we're going to just cut the crease. So taking my Cellular and cotton bud. And there we are, we're all cut. That's on the sellotape, don't worry, it's not under my eye. So now we're going to base coat over that. There we are. And this is what I mean with my hair, guys, look. Instantly falling out already, and it's in clips, so I don't know how it's even wanting or is falling out, but reclipped, hopefully it stays, probably won't. So now the base is on, I'm going to take, hold on, I need to find out what shade it is, Artistry, Purple Glare. Purple's my favourite colour, so gotta be. I'm going to put that all over the crease. If anyone does know where I can get better pigmented glitters from, please let me know, hit me up in the comments, because it's not very glittery, but we have to do. Now to get highlighter in the corner of the eye, and also on the brow bone. I am now going to outline the cut crease with a silver gel liner. It's not the best, but we'll go with it. I do apologise as well if my lines aren't straight. I do wear glasses all the time, and when I'm doing makeup I don't wear contacts or anything, so I do it blind. Now, black liner. There we go, liner's on. Now time for the under eye and lashes. Not going to bore you with this, so, and there we are. Now I don't know what's happened to the lash, but it's doing me head in. There we go, that's better. Alright, so I won't bore you with the other side. Fast forward all of that. So let's go. There we go. If makeup was just this quick and easy to do in real life, it'd be a breeze. Right, time to do the rest of the face. And to re-stick this lash because it's not having it. Now, time to contour. I've changed up and I am trying the Revolution Ultra Cream Contour Palette. So, we'll see how it goes. Time for a quick highlight. And done. Oh, really bad blend. And we're done. Time to get changed. And we're changed and ready to go out. So if you like this, guys, please rate, comment and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye.